Looking for the best snow chains? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 snow chains on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Glacier Chains, V-Bar Twist Link. Designed for larger vehicles. Sturdy traction in icy or snowy conditions. Level end fastener makes for easy installation. These sturdy and durable chains best suited for larger vehicles, but come at a price. Best for large vehicles. Installation takes time and can be confusing. Chains are known to loosen over time. At number 2. KONIG XB-16 245 Snow Chains. Exceptionally easy to install. Great for passenger vehicles. Durable and long-lasting. Durability and installation ease are on par with the best. These easy-to-install chains are the best value for your money. Stated limit is 30 miles per hour, but these chains work best when you drive under 20 miles per hour. At number 1. Security Chain, Super Z6. An extremely stable product that suits everything from smaller cars to minivans. Chain tightness is auto-adjusted and grip is assured. An excellent high-performing chain from a stellar company. High performance. Manufacturer recommends a speed limit of 30 miles per hour. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.